Control console. The control console supports viewing dollar parameters, sending commands, and modifying dollar parameters in real time. Offline control, USB drive and local storage. Insert USB drive. The control console supports viewing dollar parameters, sending commands, and modifying dollar parameters in real time. Supports toolpath preview with both 2D and 3D views. The 3D view can be freely rotated for multi-angle inspection, and the machining size range is displayed in the lower left corner. Click 2D graph to return to the 2D preview. Supports real-time feed rate override adjustment. Supports real-time override adjustment of spindle speed, feed, and repit. Reduce both feed and spindle speed overrides to 100%. Power off position memory. Next, we will demonstrate how to run a G-code file. We will now turn off the machine power while it is running to simulate a power outage. Restore power after a complete power off state. Here, we need to click Cancel. Select the G-code file that was previously run. The system saved the work coordinates before power loss.